If you've arrived here today feeling like the world is a little too loud, or like you're carrying a weight you weren't meant to hold alone, I want you to take a slow breath. You found a soft place to land. Here we use the quiet beauty of nature to ground the nervous system and find our way back to the steady rhythm of our own hearts. I'm Jackie, and this is Peace, Hope, Clarity. I created this channel as a sanctuary for those who need permission to soften. Every Sunday we gather for a deep guided meditation, a longer reset for your week. On Wednesdays and throughout the week I share micro moments, short, sensory affirmations designed to help you catch your breath in the middle of a busy day. You don't have to be strong here. You just have to be here. Subscribe to join our community of gentle souls, and let's walk this path towards clarity together, one breath at a time. Welcome home to yourself.